OBS Studio is the best free open-source screen capture program. In this guide, I will show you how to quickly set up and get started with OBS Studio. Go to Microsoft Store and search for OBS Studio. Click on OBS Studio, then click on Get button to install it onto your PC. Once the installation is finished, click on OBS Studio icon from your desktop or Start menu. This is what OBS Studio looks like when you start it for the first time. Click on the plus icon and choose Display Capture and then click on OK. From this window, you need to choose the name of your primary display from the drop-down list and click OK. At this point, you should see your screen is being mirrored. Now click on Tools and choose Auto Configuration Wizard. Choose Optimize just for recording, then click Next. Choose your capture resolution and frame rate and click Next. Finally, click on Apply Settings. Now let's set up some keyboard hotkeys so we can easily start and stop recording. To do this, click on the Settings tab on bottom right. Choose Hotkeys tab and choose your hotkeys for start and stop recording. Click Apply and OK to close this window. That completes the basic settings we need to start screen capture. Let's try capturing our screen. I will start Microsoft Excel. To start capture process, press the hotkey, which is Ctrl+C in my case. You will notice a red dot next to the OBS Studio icon. This means recording has started. To stop recording, press your stop hotkey. Alternatively, you can start and stop recording using the buttons under the Controls section. When the recording is finished, the files are saved as MKV file. We need to convert it before we can play or edit the video. Click on File, Remux Recordings. Click on the three dots. Choose the MKV file and click Open. Then click on Remux. This will convert the MKV file to MP4, which you can edit or upload to YouTube. To play your recordings, go to the video folder where you will find the converted MP4 file. As you can see, the recorded video plays perfectly.